Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Just a 3 minute walk from the beach, you will find this magical 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom home for sale. It sits on a 1/3 acre of level land and is nestled in the serene community of Old Wharf, Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. Although the listing price does not include furnishings, the seller is willing to negotiate the inclusion of the majority. This home was designed by Sally Henzell and completed in 2019. You will appreciate the attention to detail with the high ceilings, light and bright polished concrete flooring. All cedar finishes are custom made. Serpantine windows, interior and exterior doors, all kitchen, bedding, and bathroom cupboards. Two spacious bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. Owner's closet to store your personal items if renting the home to vacationers. Open plan kitchen and dining. Private covered patio for al fresco dining. Laundry room with washer and dryer. 3 minutes walk to the beach and another short distance to restaurants and grocery stores. Please call today to arrange viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 415,000 or Jamaican $65.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.